Hello, fellow fans of dowsing, mind, body, wisdom, and all things woo-woo and freaky. This video is about receiving downloads from the universe, the archangels, spirit, God, whatever you want to call it, but the big energy, and activating them. Now you might be thinking, I don't have any downloads. I would know if I had downloads. That's what I thought, right? Well, I had probably thousands of informational downloads of new energy codes and modules to help me through these difficult times, and the ascension process is going on and all that. And I didn't believe I had them. I thought I'd be feeling them, but I decided to douse and find out, and that's how I found out I had thousands of them. And I activated them. I pretty much activate them every day because that's how often I'm getting them now. And I'm just feeling so much stronger, more mentally focused. My intuition is amazing. I've never had this kind of intuition before. And so many other good things have been happening to me. Great ideas for books and things like that. Creativity is soaring. Compassion. Just feeling kind towards people who are cruel and unkind to others. It's just been an amazing journey with all this, and I wanted to share it with you. It took me a long time to decide to be brave enough to present this to you because it is pretty freaky stuff, and I'm going to tell you right now, give you this warning. Do this when you are sitting down. Do not do this if you're driving anywhere or in a public place or anything. The reason being is a family member came over to my house, I think it was maybe 2020, and I told her about this, and I said, I think you have a lot of downloads that would be able to help you cope through all the craziness that's going on. I mean, because it's also happening to our families, our friends, our countries, everything, right? It's just like, do I even live on Earth anymore, or have I somehow gone into some weird place? That's what it feels like. But with these downloads, you can cope with it, you can get through it, and help others as well. So she was open-minded, and she said, sure, go ahead and do it. And I think she was a little bit skeptical, like I always am. And so I just did this simple procedure that I'm going to show you to her. And after we were done, it only took less than a minute. She just keeled over, boom, and mashed into the side of my house. She was okay. And then we were both feeling all tingly all over. It was really bizarre. Just, I don't know how else to explain it. But I'm just forewarning you that this, especially if you're doing it for the first time, can cause a whole lot of physical reactions and things. And normally I'd say check with your doctor first. Your doctor's just going to laugh at you probably because they don't believe in this kind of stuff. So it's up to you to use this at your own risk. So the first thing I do, if you know how to douse, find out if you have any kind of upgrades, downloads that are beneficial that need to be activated. And I'm going to check real quick on myself here. As you know, I douse with my hands, which is just sort of like self-applied dowsing without using a tool like a rods or a pendulum or anything. This is my yes answer, this is my no answer. Ask a question, let my hands come together, and kaboom. It's just sort of weird the way they just automatically go there. And I programmed this in many years ago. You can do the same thing. And if you're wanting to learn how to douse, you don't know how, or want to learn anything about it, and especially how to help yourself and others find things that need to be released emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually from your energy, please check out my book on Amazon, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It was a bestseller. The very first weekend it was on sale, and it's still selling all over the world, Australia, Asia, Europe, of course the United States, Canada, South America. It's just been, a lot of people have contacted me and told me it's a real blessing. So I'm just going to check really quickly now. Divine Spirit, I have one or more downloads that are beneficial to my energy now that need to be activated. Yes, may I know how many I have? 1, 2, 3. Okay. May I know what part of my life that they're going to affect? These downloads are going to affect my creativity, my intuition. Is that the only thing they're going to affect? Okay, well I could always use 3 more downloads and modules that help my intuition grow even stronger. So all I'm going to do is, and you can do the same thing if you want to along with me or by yourself, you might want to have a open-minded friend or family member with you, is I'm going to stimulate my governing vessel meridian and just allow the downloads to be activated. So you can put protection around yourself if you want. I ask Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael to come now. And I just got a quick message. The downloads were from Archangel Raphael, the Master Healer. That's so cool. Thank you, Raphael. Please surround me with protection and make sure only the good downloads are activated in case there's some nastiness going on. I haven't encountered that, any non-beneficial beings causing downloads or anything, although they will put implants and imprints in you, energetic ones and such, that can't be seen by the human eye. But that's another topic for another freaky video. So all you got to do is this. I now activate all the beneficial downloads from my beloved archangels, from God, from Spirit, from the universe. All these beneficial downloads I activate now and I incorporate into my energy system with love and gratitude, and so it is. You can also go like this, just mixing in all these downloads with my energy and my energy bodies, my causal body, etheric body, nirvanic body, all my energy bodies now, astral body, just mixing it all in. Wow, getting a nice energy rush. I hope you are too. That's all you have to do. And then you're going to start noticing some changes, because these downloads are amazing. I can't believe how different I am, even just from last year, but in the last couple of years. Just you just feel so loved, so appreciated, and you get these gifts almost every day. So activate them and enjoy your life and live in peace, because remember, you are a treasure. And I believe in you, and so many people count on you, and you're here for a reason. So allow that reason to come forward and just go for it. We all have within us something that can make us millions of dollars. And it's something probably that will help other people. So just let yourself be open to that creativity, those downloads of all the beautiful information from the spirits and from archangels. And who knows where it'll take you, but you know it's going to be somewhere miraculous and phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my website, emorescue.com, for all kinds of other free things and ebooks. First 10 chapters of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, are available when you subscribe to my newsletter on my homepage, emorescue.com. If you'd like to comment, I'd love to hear anything you have to say. I appreciate your comments so much, and they just make me so happy that you took the time to do that. That's a gift to me, so thank you. I appreciate you. Namaste. Peace out. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.